first battle. Oh, a very tough one. Alright. Good battle, good battle. Yeah, it's double the numbers because I stream early now. Redeem sheesh. Sheesh, Timmy, thank you for redeeming. Hey, Tina, have you heard of a game called Warframe? Yes, I do. I did. Alright, wait. Oh, this is a bad combo. Oh, no. We can, he can target my reptile. We have not so good cards. Let's pass. Wait. Let's just at least... No. Let's pass. We don't have good cards. Thank you for the follow! Jan sent. Hi. Hello. Thank you for the follow. Okay. I assume the beast is gonna kill us. Let's might as well play one card. Or I don't know. My strat here is to kill the beast early on. I mean the plant early on. So that I can disable the beast. We cannot though. I'm thinking so hard. What should I do here? I'm passing. Pass. Dude, thank you for the hydrate! Okay. Yeah, the bird. Oh, shiz. Okay. If the beast attacks us, we have the bird here, which is dangerous. Oh no. Bird, very dangerous bird. Wait, I wasn't counting. Oh god. We need to at least have minimal defense. I think this is good. Oh wait. Let's might as well kill the plant. 120, 240, 320, 320, 410. We need one more. Okay. Hoping for the best. I hope this is enough. Yeah. Okay. He's still waiting. Oop, you're dead. Again. Ouchie. Alright. Guys, I tend to overkill a lot, to be honest. Ivan, thank you for the follow. Thank you. Okay, see? It's just perfect. The mat. We did the mat. Okay. Alright. Okay. The bird though. The bird. Might as well kill the beast. We can kill the beast, right? Full defense on the beast. Yeah. Right. Okay, let's try this then. God, please live. Please live. Wilbert? What? Wilbert? Ow! Alright. Oh, wrong move. Okay, nice. We can oh wait. Okay. We can chomp him. Let's maximize our stuff here. Alright. Disable. Since we're going first, let's just chomp him, then disable him. And we're dead. At least we gambled it. Boop. Okay, nice. Should I have a Mwahaha redeem? Okay. At least you don't have stuff. You cannot kill me now, mister. Let's play both of these. Oh, at least... Actually, let's guarantee a kill. I think this is good. Yeah. Very good. No. Oh, wait. No. My god, my thought process. Okay. This is good. You cannot kill us! Die, beast! Die now! Die. No, you cannot. Yes! Good game. Nice. Ooh, 1891. Going for 1.9k.